Hear that crunch? And take this. Ooh. Today we're making a really easy Italian sandwich lunch. Beautiful. Same with this one. This is the sauteed onion and garlic ragu. Do you have a favorite like jarred spaghetti sauce that you like using? Let me know in the comments. I know so many of you are like, I make my own sauce. But sometimes jarred is just fine. We've got some melted butter here. This is a really cool thing. You could actually, this whole part's glass, so you could actually put it in the microwave to melt your butter. Just a little spritz. And some garlic powder. Make this like almost like a garlic bread. Sliced provolone. This is a 12 slice packet. So 3 slices of provolone on each one. I love when packets have like the right number of ingredients. Let me switch this over to a baking sheet. Our protein main event are these chicken McNuggets. I've got 20 of these. All you're gonna do is open these up and take some of that ragu sauce that we had earlier. Just pour it right on top. Same with this one. I know McDonald's is doing all these promos of like extra nuggets, so this is a great way to use them. Go ahead and shake that up. See, isn't that great? I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Such a great way to get sauce on all of those nuggets. And these are 20 nuggets, so each sandwich gets 5.
I know different places make different kinds of nuggets. Do you guys have like a favorite fast food nugget? Let me know in the comments.
The best nugget upgrade ever. Once that's all put together, we're gonna top everything with some Italian style blended cheese. This is a 2-cup bag. As you know, we like cheesy Italian. Look at these chicken parm nuggets. So good. Just a little bit of pepper on top of everything. Also got some Italian seasoning. All those spices and herbs are gonna make this the most amazing Italian dinner. The rest of that melted butter, just kind of spray that on top of everything. It's gonna help it give that golden crust when it comes out of the oven. Some basil. Use fresh if you want, or dried. This is kind of like freeze-dried. A little bit of green is gonna make this look so good. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Ooh, look at that. It smells so good in here, y'all. These chicken nuggets have turned into like chicken parm. I'm gonna take each of these sandwiches and put this back on that plate so we can cut them up. Just like that. Look at this. It's gonna be great for like a watch party. You can have these just by yourself, but you can also slice these up so that you can have enough for friends. I'm gonna cut this one. Hear that crunch? And take this one. Give this a bite. Mmm! Look at that cheese ball, delicious. You should make this weekend.